Plastic in the environment is causing huge damage to the nature, but also to us humans. Obviously, there are companies focusing on bigger materials such as PET bottles or bags. But what we can't see is even a bigger problem, the so-called microplastic. And now I have a company with me here at the booth at the GreenTech Festival, which is called Wasser 3.0. And with me is the CEO of Wasser 3.0, Katrin. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Hi, Clemens. Nice to meet you.
Katrin, we are at the GreenTech Festival. What's so special for you about the GreenTech Festival?
The GreenTech Festival is for us a huge story because we started in 2012 with the research in the area of microplastics and micropollutants, started on doing something completely new, and we got a GreenTech Award in 2015 when we were first here in Berlin to connect with the GreenTech community. And being back on the floor here at the GreenTech Festival means a lot because this shows us that our solution we have in hand is ready to present to the community and to the people outside. And so for us, it's a huge step into real life.
You're talking about your solution. What exactly does it look like?
We offer waters without microplastics and micropollutants, which means that we have a solution in hand to reduce the amount of pollutants in our waters. And for microplastics, it's extremely hard because on the one hand, you have lots of research you need to do to just build up the data, to just sum up all the problem and point out the hotspots. And when you know about the problem, it's absolutely clear that you need to solve it. And this was, from the very first beginning in 2016, our main goal. We want to solve a global environmental problem caused by microplastics. And here we use clump and skim. Clump and skim means we have the tiny particles smaller than 5 millimeters, and we use a hybrid silica gel to clump them together, form larger particles which are floating on the surface. And by this low-tech solution, we are able to remove the microplastics directly from various waters worldwide. And this is a huge step because
that's impressive.
At the moment we are not in the position that we have regulations and laws. And we are doing the work for the future. Because if you do not have the regulation and laws, you need the early adopters. You need the people who step out and say, our waters is polluted and we want to solve the problem. And this is what we do, and this is where we come together. And this is a perfect place here at the GreenTech Festival because we know about the issue, we know that we have to solve this problem, and we do it directly.
You were talking about data. How important is the scientific background at your company?
Scientific background is absolutely important if you build up a solution which has to be there in the future. If you just want to do something, you do not need data, you do something and you create some impact. But we want to create more impact than just microplastics removal. We want to reuse the microplastics. We want to contribute to the SDGs. We want to contribute to a circular economy. We want to close the loop. And this is the main step because only detection and data consumption is on the one hand very important from research side, but if you want to solve the problem, you need to combine data and implementation. And this is what we do. The connection is directly there. And this is why we at Wasser 3.0 focus on detection, removal and reuse. And this is the overall strategy.
6 years ago, you won the GreenTech Award. What happened since then?
In 2015, it was a research project. Here we were at the university and it was just research and some vision. So everybody was like, oh, this could be in the future a problem solver. Nobody believed. It was like, the jury was something like, this sounds extremely nice, innovative and really unexpected that this could work in the future, and now we show everybody that it works. And this is perfect because if you can just see within 6 years from research project, just collected data, doing something in the lab, moving out to the wastewater treatment, moving out to the industries, showing them, hey,
It's possible.
we have a solution.
Yeah.
It works.
That's super nice. What do you think about collecting plastic in the open ocean?
Plastic in the open ocean is a huge problem. So this is perfect if you have solutions to directly collect the plastics, because you do not create microplastics. And this helps to decrease this global environmental problem and increase the impact of a solution. But you need more than just collecting plastics, and you need more than just microplastics removal. You have to bring everything together, like the consumers. You have to keep them aware, show them what's the impact if you just reduce the amount of plastics. What is the impact of just showing the ingredients of some cosmetics, and what's about microplastic-free production, for example. You have to be aware where are the main levers you can just tackle down and where you just start.
How is the political situation in Germany for you? Are there any challenges?
The political situation, not only for Germany, worldwide, is that we have no regulations for microplastics released into the environment. If you do not have regulations and laws, it's just a nice to have. But if you know that microplastics have healthy risks that are harmful for planet and people, it's absolutely clear that you have to solve with the politicians on the one side and the technicians and the technology on the other side. You have to solve this problem together. But this takes time, but sometimes you do not have the time. So we are just moving forward with just want to speed up, and we help with our data sets, the politicians as well, to set up the regulations. So we are not only at the national side, we are at the European Union as well. So we just want to build up a microplastic release control system.
We definitely can feel your positive energy bringing to the table. Thanks a lot for that. Which city is the front runner for you in terms of water quality and water management?
For me, the Netherlands are extremely exciting, because here I see that they have a completely different water technology surrounding like we have in Germany. They are more innovative. They have more startups just setting up solutions for specific areas in the water sector. And this is very nice to see that the Netherlands are just bringing some positive energy to Germany as well. And we are connected, we're doing matchmaking as well to see that this phalanx can help us to set up real solutions working not only for the EU, working worldwide.
The GreenTech Festival is all about getting connected and networking. What do you experience so far here at the GreenTech Festival?
The GreenTech Festival is a huge platform where you can get out positive energy, where you can get out positive connections to the people, and where you can just start. And if you feel the energy here, you take the energy home and you start directly to solve problems. And this is absolutely great. And if you connect with all the people here, and if you have the visitors at the booth, it's fantastic to see how really exciting the people are looking at this wall, just looking what's going on here. Oh, we have a microplastic problem. Oh, there's a solution. Absolutely great. And for us as a team here, it's wonderful to see that the people become aware of a problem and they see directly a solution.
Katrin, thank you very much for bringing your solution to the GreenTech Festival. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much, Clemens.